Olive oil is a fat obtained from pressed olive fruits. It is considered to be the queen of oils because of its numerous benefits. It is commonly used as a cooking oil or as a salad dressing. There are different kinds of olive oils, namely extra virgin, virgin, refined, pure, olive pomace, and light olive.
The scope of our study are as follows: production of olive oil, wastewater management, air emissions, solid and hazardous wastes.
Our goals are to identify the raw materials in the production of olive oil, to identify the emissions in each processes and the parameters affected, such as wastewater quality, air emissions, solid waste, and hazardous wastes, to determine the environmental impacts in water, air, and land, and lastly, to determine the laws and regulations governing the environmental impacts.
For the wastewater treatment, wastewater is passed through a screening process. Screened water is passed through a primary clarifier and then through an aerator. The effluent is passed through a secondary clarifier. The activated sludge from the secondary clarifier is recycled and sent back to the aerator. The secondary effluent is disinfected using chlorine from a chlorine tank. The treated effluent is then discharged to a river. Activated sludge waste from the aerator and the solid waste from the primary clarifier are sent to a sludge digester, and the filter cake from the screener is sent to MRF.
For the solid waste treatment, all solid waste collected are sorted depending on their class. Some solid waste are washed with water. The washed solid waste are then dried. Treated solid waste are finally sent to a sanitary tank.
In this LCA, the main energy used is natural gas. Olive fruits are delivered and passed through a sorter. The sorted fruits are then washed using water. The water used is sent to a wastewater treatment facility. Washed olives are screened. Parallel to this point, solid waste such as twigs and leaves are collected and sent to MRF. Once olives are screened, they are passed through a grinding machine. Ground olives and olive puree are mixed and passed through a centrifuge and then filtered. Wastewater are ejected and sent through the wastewater treatment plant, and the filter cake from this filter is sent to MRF. Virgin olive oil is collected from the filter. It is then stored and prepared for refining.
For the refining process, the olive oil is refined by adding salt, bleaching earth, and activated carbon. After refining, the wastewater is sent to the wastewater treatment facility, and solid waste, such as sacks, bleaching earth, and activated carbon, are sent to MRF. The unrefined and refined or standard olive oils are sent for packaging. In the packaging process, amber bottles are filled with olive oil. Filled bottles are sealed and boxed. Boxed olive oils are sent for delivery. The solid waste such as boxes, cuttings, tapes, and plastics are sent to MRF.
Republic Act 8749, or the Philippine Clean Air Act of 1999, is a comprehensive air quality management policy and program that aims to achieve and maintain healthy air for all Filipinos. Republic Act 9003, or Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000. This act provides the legal framework for the systematic, comprehensive, and ecological solid waste management program of the Philippines, which shall ensure protection of public health and the environment. Republic Act 9275, or the Philippine Clean Water Act. This Republic Act applies to water quality management in all water bodies. It primarily applies to the abatement and control of pollution from land-based sources.